How to get sprinklers in Grow a Garden Roblox. So to get sprinklers from Grow a Garden, you need to wait for them to be on stock on the gear shop. So simply just go to the gear shop. So let's go to the gear shop. So the gear shop is located at the other side of the map. As you can see from here, we can actually use the wrench to teleport to the gear shop. Now in the gear shop, you can talk to this girl and then show the gear shop and you'll be able to see all the sprinklers available. Now, you can see that there is no stock. So you need to have, oh, master sprinkler is on stock. That's good timing. So you need to be wait for them to unstock. That's how you can basically get the sprinklers on this game. Now for other sprinklers like the honey sprinkler, you can get them from the events. So these are special sprinklers that you can only get the event, and this honey sprinkler is the current event right now. And that's how you can basically get the sprinklers in this game. So there are also other ways that are coming soon in the future, which you can craft sprinklers. But other than that, those are the ways on how you can get sprinklers on Grow a Garden.